Hey guys, welcome back to a vlog. It's your boy Anurag here, back at it. Right now it's 2:30-ish in the morning, like 2:30 a.m. Like this is going to be a little too dark, so let's go to the kitchen. So I think this is the first time you guys are looking at me with this type of hair. I'm growing my hair out, by the way. So yeah, right now I'm going to make something to drink, most probably coffee or Bonvita. Yep, let's get into the day. I'm thinking of making. Let's have a conversation about transphobia. Let me know if you guys would like to have a conversation about it. And yeah, as I said, I wanted to make let's have a conversation about a series. And you guys should know that I'm 17. Okay, I'm 17 and I'm from India. Being homophobic, transphobic, and pretty much like everything woke is it's normal around here. So I'm 17 and I'm from India. So I'm just starting to learn about this stuff. Let me know if you guys want to see an episode about how I am correcting myself or about the specific conversation about trans people. I'm making this clip so that I can remember because I usually forget all my ideas. So yeah. So right now it's 4:10 a.m. in the morning and I'm starting to get ready to go to Piku's place. I'm sure you guys know who Piku is. We do a lot of covers and shit together and you have seen him in other vlogs and stuff. Yes, we are going to head to Piku's place and from there we are going to go on a run. So that's the plan for today and I'll tell you stuff about what we are planning to do later. And the only reason we are going for a run today is because uh, it rained yesterday. So basically, the place we go to play football is going to be closed. So we won't be allowed on the pitch. So basically, we decided to go on a run. Also, I'm aware that my hair's a fucking mess. I'll do something about it before we head out. It's 4:30, so gotta leave. Probably have to wake my dad up to drop me off at Piku's. So let's do that. Also, I don't know if you guys know this or not, but I used to skate I think 5 years ago. I used to skate a lot, but then I stopped when we moved to this house. And yesterday, while cleaning up something, I found my old skates, and I I tried them on. They are a little tight, but I think I can make it work. So I'm also taking my skates and just know that I haven't skated for more than 6 years now. So don't have a go at me in the comments if I'm trash at it. So we just finished stretching and we are going to start our run from right here. So yeah, this is a run. We are trying to test how much we can run. So we are going to start here. We basically forgot that traffic lights exist. So this 100% will not be accurate or non-stop. We just crossed one thing. We are amateurs. Keep that in mind. So yeah. So we basically just did a 1K run non-stop, and I was completely wrong when I said that it's going to be easy for us. I was completely wrong because we are already so tired. We have been walking for I think a minute or two now. We are going to start again after we cross this street. So yeah, I wanted to be at our final destination at this time because I wanted to see the sunrise there. I thought it'd be cool for some photos and cinematics, but it doesn't look like we are going to reach there by the sunrise, but we'll still try. So let's see. By the way, I can't even wear my mask because the mask is getting sweaty. I don't want to wear that after the run going back home. That will be nasty, and my skin already has so much acne and stuff. So I'm not going to do that. But I'm social distancing for sure. Yeah. The sky right now is looking like my wallpaper, dude, and my wallpaper is totally color graded and edited. Everything's looking pretty cool. Yeah. Pokolols. Yo, Poke. What are you doing in India, Poke? This is why I love the rainy season, dude. The clouds and shit. We took a short break at 2 kilometers. So after the short break, we are going to start again to go to our final destination. Yeah. So after our photo session, this was not the plan, to be honest. I tried skating, but the surface and my wheels don't match up, and it's really slippery. So I'm probably not going to risk skating here. I skated just from here till there, and now I've given up because it seems too risky, and this is the first time I've skated in literally almost 6 years. Smell नहीं आ रही टैंक पैंट से? क्या कोविड हो गया? Let's go, dude. Easy clap 3K. Road to 100K. Let's go. So it's been about 20 or 21 hours since I started the vlog. So it's almost been a day, and after we finished our 3K run, we walked back home, and we walked for like 4 kilometers, around 4 kilometers. So the total distance was something around 6.7 kilometers or something, and out of that we ran for 3 kilometers. So 3K was pretty tiring, to be honest, but it was like a full day of football practice. It was equal to that. So after we walked back home, I think it was around 7, exactly 7 or 7:10, and we had food. Pico left for his house, and I fell asleep around 8:30 or 9, I think, and then I woke up at 1:30 or something, and the rest of the day was pretty much nothing, you know. So yeah, basically I played FIFA for the entire day, and watched YouTube, Twitch, etc. And I just finished a pretty light workout with my ankle weights, which is around 4 kg. So I did some holds, squats, wall set, plank and stuff, and after the workout I'm pretty tired, so I'm going to take a 1 hour nap and then wake up and repeat the same thing. But instead of going for a run, as it didn't rain today, I'm going to play football. So that will basically be my day. It will be the same. And I'm not sure how much I'm going to vlog, but the goal is 10K without any breaks. So I'm probably going to be vlogging pretty much the whole journey. So keep an eye out for that, and let me know in the comments about the let's have a conversation about series. Yeah, that was basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So yeah, peace. This is the outro. I'm so rusty that I even forgot how to do a outro, so I'll plug my socials. Everything is Anuragia, and I'm also now on SoundCloud. I have some songs up. If you guys want to support me, you can go and listen to my songs on SoundCloud now. And about music, I'm working on a new song right now. I'm probably going to record a demo right now. So I'm just going to do that right now and take a 1 hour nap, and yeah, I have already said everything. So yeah, also you can also follow me on Twitch. I don't know when I'm going to go live, but I'm probably going to go live in the next month. and we'll do some just chatting stuff. So yeah, follow me on Twitch, Instagram, Twitter, and SoundCloud. And if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and leave a comment or leave a like and or a dislike. Is there anything I have to say? I don't think so. So peace. I'll see you guys in the next video, or it could be a song. So yeah, peace.
जेसीबी स्मेल नहीं आ रही टैंक पैंट से क्या कोविड हो गया